Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to keep turning down the volume in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off media volume limit. Again, open settings. Search media volume limit. Now click on media volume limit. And if you want to turn off media volume limit, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off media volume limit from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Click on settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on factory data reset, scroll down, click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, picture, video, documents will be erased, delete or reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Again, open settings. Again, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps turning down the volume in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.